Hello everyone! Now start off by drawing the numbers from 1 to 9 on a sheet of paper. Now use the number 1 as the line of the bark of a tree at the top of the tree as well. Next move on to the 2 and then make a swan out of the 2. Add some water shapes to it as well. Add the beak and then draw the eyes. For 3, continue it and then make it into an entire flower. Add the stems as well as the leaves. Next for 4, make a sailboat out of 4. As for 5, make an apple out of 5 and don't forget to add the leaf. As for 6, make this wire or thread like shape out of it. With 7, make the shape of a carrot out of it. Add the little lines as well as the leaves at the top. Now moving on to the number 8, make a cute little snowman out of it. Add the scarf as well as the buttons and then add a cute little expression to it as well as a Santa Claus cap. Now for the last number 9, add a flowery shape around the 9 shape and then make a suit out of the bottom. Start off by drawing a cloud and then at the top add 2 little leaf shapes. Then in the middle add a face. Shave out multiple crayons right underneath the mouth as such and then spread it downwards and this is what it should look like. Next, start off by drawing a circular shape and then add a cute little smile and an expression to it. At the top, add a little hat as well. Draw the rest of the body and then draw a cylindrical shape underneath the body and draw an injection. Write the numbers 1, 2 and 0 down on a piece of paper and then around the number 0, start off by making this shape. After adding the goggle-like shape, add eyes to it as well. Then moving on to the number 2, continue to draw around it. Make the cylindrical shape around the number 2. Then add layers to it. On one of the ends, continue it and then make it look like an injection. Make it look like there are hands wrapped around it. Then continue this and then join all the parts. As for the number 1, include it as part of the uniform. Draw on the details on it like the line on top of the injection. Next, we will start off by drawing this bunny head-like shape and then add a flat surface underneath it. Add a curved shape at the back and then add a small cute little bushy bunny tail. Add a heart right next to it. Now, right next to it, once again, draw another bunny in a different shape. This one will be sitting down. Draw the numbers 0, 1, 2. Using the 0, make the face of the bunny. Add the ears right on top of it. Connect the 0 to the 2 and this will be the bunny's body and then make the hands of the bunny. The 1 will become the carrot. Add the whiskers to this bunny as well. Now, start off by adding a line and then on top of it make an almost circular shape and then draw the face of a bunny. Next, start off by drawing an ovular shape. Add a smiley face to this ovular shape. Add hair all around it and then add a dress. Add ears to it and then add legs. This is not how you draw it. Now start off by drawing these curved shape on either end. However, do not connect them. At the top, draw a crown as such. Add circular shapes to it. Then add a V shape on the top. That is the first top layer. Now connect the first layer with the second layer, making ears out of it. Connect it to the face as well and then add a smiley face. Then draw on the neck. Draw on a very long dress as such that is very poofy as well. Don't forget to draw in the hands and then color it in as you please. Draw 2 circles 3 times as such. On the first one, make a bear out of it. As for the second, make a small cute little rat with a bow on it and then don't forget to draw on the hands. Add a tail as well. As for the third one, make a bee out of it. Draw multiple stripes on its body and don't forget to add the sting at the back. Add a smiley face to it as well. As for the fourth one, we will be making a worm. Add a smiley face and then add multiple balls at the back as well, signifying the body. Add multiple legs. Now, draw on ears and the head and then draw on the hair. Add a little mask to this face as well and then draw on the eyes. Then at the top, add a small little cross. Then draw around it and this will be a hospital cap. In the middle, we will start off by drawing the coat. Draw the collars of the coat first and then we may draw on the arms of this doctor. We may make one of the arms to stick out as such. This arm will be carrying the medicine and everything else. After you are done drawing the coat, you may add on the medicine. Add on the legs as well once you are done. You may color it in if you want. Thank you for watching.